Okay, to get started, I added a few videos to my timeline. So let's start with this second one that has way too small of a resolution. To fix this, we can simply right-click on the clip and select Scale to Frame Size. Now, while this works great for clips that have proportional 16:9 aspect ratios, it's not going to work for clips like my last one that don't have matching aspect ratios. I could right-click it and select Scale to Frame Size, but nothing's going to happen. So for this one, the easiest way to make it fit into the frame is to make sure the program panel is selected, and then double-click on your video in the preview. Now you can simply drag the diagonal handles to fill out the frame. This did the job, but keep in mind that you can also select your clip and go over to Effect Controls to change its scale. You can either drag the scale's value to the left or right to resize it, or you can click the scale's value to type in a number manually. But yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, so as always, thanks for watching and see you next time.